Today we're going to show you an awesome price to performance gaming PC, arguably one of the best price to performance we've built in a while.
And it's using a CPU and GPU combo that you can save a lot of money on if you have a little know-how in deal hunting, and we're going to show you what we picked out after a word from today's sponsor.
Let's be real, if you're using an old grainy webcam in today's world of remote work and streaming, you're doing yourself no favors. But don't worry, because today's video sponsor, eMeet, and their S800 SmartCam is here to save the day and your video quality. eMeet SmartCam is a true 4K webcam, delivering amazing video quality at 4K 30 FPS or 1080p 60 FPS. It uses a high-quality Sony consumer-grade camera sensor, which means you're getting an f1.8 aperture for a beautifully separated background and incredible performance in low-light situations. Your late-night Zoom calls or dimly lit streams, no problem. And what's a good video experience without fast focus? This webcam features dual autofocus technology, using phase detection to lock in on you faster than you can say unmute. No more blurry moments mid-call or stream. And not only does this webcam excel in video, but it also excels in audio with its dual noise-canceling mics. With the advanced noise suppression from the eMeet SmartCam, it basically completely eliminates all background noise, so your voice comes through crystal clear, whether you're trying to give a presentation for school or just trying to keep your loud dog from entering the mic. And the SmartCam's compatibility has no issues here. It works seamlessly with Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Meets, and more. And on top of that, all those apps work with both Windows and Mac. Plus, it's plug and play ready with USB 3 and 2 support, making it as simple as just plugging it in. One thing I think is essential for all webcams is a built-in cover. And this eMeet webcam has just that, with the built-in lens cover that lets you block the camera for extra peace of mind when you're not using it. So if you're ready to ditch the grainy, noisy webcam and upgrade to something that makes you sound and look amazing, check out the eMeet SmartCam today. Click the links in the description down below to check out more about the eMeet webcam and to buy one for yourself today. Thanks to eMeet for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back to it.
So the star of this build is going to be the Ryzen 5 5600. This is a 6-core 12 thread that we picked up from AliExpress. We paid $70 for this. Now keep in mind, when you do shop at AliExpress, especially if you have a new account, or if you have coupons such as like the Black Friday ones that they're often running till the end of the year, you can save some pretty big money on like the 5600, the 3600, and a lot of the similar CPUs. Now normally when you buy the 5600, it'll come with a cooler. This one does not, because it's basically just a trade CPU, so you do have to spend some money to get yourself a cooler. We have the IDCooling SE 214 XT and ARGB. It looks like we paid $15 for this cooler, so it's a really good price to performance cooler. And another pretty good deal, coming in at $79, this is the ASRock B550M Pro 4. You guys know we love the Pro motherboards like the Pro RS. This board is definitely a really nice board for it being micro ATX. It has a lot of heatsink coverage, it has 4 RAM slots, it actually has 2 4-pins for the CPU, even a cover for the M.2, and the board fully supports Gen 4, which is great because the CPU is kind of like the start on 5000 series of Gen 4 support. This is a pretty good deal from Newegg. We paid $26 for this RAM. This is Teamgroup Vulcan Z, and it's 16 gigs in overall capacity, 2 8-gig sticks, so dual channel. It's pretty good value. You could opt for 32 if you want to spend around $40, but this is a really good deal at the time of recording this video. And the RAM is 3200 megahertz at CL16. And from Newegg, we also got this SN580. This was $54. It's a Gen 4 SSD. So once again, Gen 4, which you're going to see on the graphics card as well. This is a Gen 4 card. We got Gen 4 storage. So it's going to be a really fast build. We're really utilizing all of those newer technologies, but 1 terabyte for $54 Gen 4 is pretty awesome.
And speaking of awesome, this right here is the PowerColor Fighter RX 6600 we picked up on the used market, eBay to be specific, for $149. This graphics card has kind of become the new RX 580, at least here on the channel, in terms of the best bang for buck used option that you can pick up from AMD. It's 1 generation old, but it still has 8 gigs of VRAM, and it's very capable for 1080p, light 1440p with FSR, but for this build, I think it pairs very nicely with the 5600 to get a build off and running and be able to upgrade very easily in the future. And speaking of upgrades in the future, we want the Segotep GN650 80 plus gold power supply. Now you could opt for the 750 version that gives you ATX 3.0, spend a little bit more money. You would be spending about $20 to $25 more to get the 750 watt version. This model is $49 on Amazon, but it has plenty of watts for some upgrades in the future. I'd be very comfortable pairing with like a 4070 if you wanted to upgrade this GPU to a 4070 and still have plenty of watts to work with. But yeah, really awesome power supplies we use a lot at PC Bros and on this YouTube channel. And lastly, we have a new case to look at from DIYPC, which we always love taking a look at their cases for budget builds. This is the R1BK, which at $49 comes with 4 RGB fans. They quote ARGB, but Jonah and I were looking at this off camera. They all daisy chain together where you can power them via, let's see, we got SATA power here. Yep, SATA power to power all of them. And then you use the reset button to change the modes. That's still better than the Molex daisy chain we normally see at this price point. And it does come with Tempered glass, and as you can see, somewhat decent ventilation. It does feel pretty cheap, but overall, for a case at 49 bucks, it's looking like really good value. But would you know if there's anything weird when we build with it that we notice? But all in all, for a little bit under $500 pre-tax, $500 after tax, this is a good price performance PC that if you know how to deal hunt on AliExpress and eBay, you could copy at home as well. Let's go ahead and build it, dive into some testing, and see how well it performs. All right, guys, well, I'm currently spectating, but we're in Fortnite under the new Ballistics mode, running a performance settings, DX12, a limited frame rate, far reduced low textures. I'm gonna try for a little bit running, what is happening here? I'm gonna try for a little bit when we do benchmarks, testing multiple modes in Fortnite because there are so many modes, and you all let me know down below which ones you actually wanna see, but since Ballistics is new, I figured we'd give it a go here and see what we got, but apparently we're gonna be playing against a bunch of AI, or there's a bunch of AI on my team. I don't know which is which. Real question is, can I change FOV in first person mode? I have no idea, someone tell me down below, because this seems very, very narrow. They planted A, hello? What is my team doing here? I can't, how do you tell where they planted? Okay. I thought we were on defense and we just, I'll do one more round of this. I'll be real with you. We need more time with it to fully feel the vibes of this, but it's an A rush no matter what. Oh, really? The ADD Fortnite crowd cannot hang. Wow, like 80% usage, 88% on the 5600, which normally in normal Fortnite, it wouldn't be that high, even on performance settings, so that's interesting. Team elimination. All right, I'm backing out of this mode. This mode's fine, you know, it's okay. Not the greatest in my opinion, not something I would play regularly, but you let me know down below if you want to see me continue to benchmark this, or just focus more on OG Fortnite and the normal Fortnite drop. Let's move to the next one. I don't know if in this season of Fortnite, they're just utilizing the CPU much more. I mean, to be fair, I am running performance settings, but normally I don't see CPU usage that's constantly this high. But you know what? 5600 is still a great CPU. Let's see what kind of frame rates we can get. And coming in sub $500, this is like the perfect esports gaming PC. Obviously, you could go with like an X3D CPU. You'll spend a little bit more money, but This combo is just great for high refresh rate 1080p with a good upgrade path. Nice. Oh, I have no more ammo. People are dying like crazy. Whoa, what? Oh my God, that was almost bad. I thought you hit me with that reload, bro. Really? I love this. Okay. I had to back out there. I felt like I was actually gonna die. Oh, no, there's somebody else get. Oh, I was messing around too much. Oh, that was unfortunate. That was unfortunate. I was messing around too much. Shouldn't have been using the shotgun. But 200 plus FPS in Fortnite, 100 something whatever in ballistics mode. Let's move on to the next game.
All right, guys, we are playing Marvel Rivals. I am unable to show you guys the settings. I am now able to show the settings. So we're currently doing 1080p full screen. We got AMD FSR set to balance because FSR is pretty freaking awesome. We are running custom because I basically set it to medium and then change global illumination to low quality.
100 FPS, baby, let's go.
Yeah. And we've said this before, this is a very new game, not very well optimized yet. They're still kind of working on, I think, kind of getting some tweaks done. I saw one of the things said something about memory leak was just fixed, so that's cool. Oh my God, he's coming after me.
Get him.
Eat my shield venom. He is quite the big boy. Wow, he's really deep in here, isn't he? Oh.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he's dead.
Ooh.
Oh, he's so dead.
Looks pretty good though. A lot of action. A lot of stuff always going on in this game. Where's he at? Hi, little buddy.
Hey.
Oh God. We're getting up too far. Oh, they're lucky we can't shoot in the spawn. It really is bullying, isn't it? Oh wait, we had a teammate die.
We are pulling a grand total of 214 watts.
214, not bad.
Not too bad.
I like Overwatch's simplicity. You're about to take a rock.
Eat that rock.
Oh, I didn't know I could. Wait, I can charge it? I've used that old grand total probably 10 plus times, and I did not know that I could charge it like that. Maybe that's why, because normally I thought it did like no damage. I was like, well, this old sucks. Boom, boom. Get some headshots on you. A little knockback. I've been knocked back. Dude, this Venom really likes me.
I'm going to get you with my tentacles.
Yeah.
Nice.
You get a shield for that. They are, but we need to give him some false. Oh, my shark just
Your shark just ate them all.
Yeah, so like he can eat them and he's gonna throw them off the map.
And
oh no.
Oh, they didn't go.
I think we're gonna.
They all DC.
I don't know. I guess they all died. These guys are about to get a fire little old. Oh my God. I just messed their shark up. It feels so bad killing him. Yeah, now that I know how to use that ult, it's actually kind of good. I think I was spamming the shoot button when I shot it, so it did like no damage, but
nice.
That was a dub. I mean, it seemed like we managed to get like, it's like 75 to like 95 FPS most of the time. It was pretty playable, and we're definitely using less RAM than we have in any of the other systems, so let's go try another game.
Yeah, let's run some built-in benchmarks and wrap this video up because you know what? For $500, pretty good value for money if you know how to deal hunt.
All right, guys, we just got done doing quite a bit of benchmarking on this PC, and we can definitely say this is a really solid build for the price. We've suggested these parts for quite some time, even when they were brand new on the market, but now that you can get this GPU on the used market, and you can even get these CPUs on AliExpress, it's some really good bang for buck.
In terms of the other benchmarks we ran, we really stressed this thing a little bit to see what the worst case scenario was with this combination. Blackmouth Wukong 1080p medium settings with no upscaling was definitely worst case scenario, only a 47 FPS average of max 55, minimum of 16. We ran the finals at medium settings 1080p, got an average of 80 to 100 FPS, and our 3D Mark score was 7,999. It was so close to 8,000, but that does give us a 6 cent per point score overall for this PC, and realistically, this is a good example of deal hunting on the used market and taking advantage of resources like AliExpress. But stay subscribed, guys, because coming up this new year, we will have a PC build guide for $500 that does use all new parts and probably a bunch of other price range builds. So if you guys don't like buying on AliExpress, you don't like to buy used, we'll have you guys covered. But if this is the build for you, use those links in the description down below. They are affiliate links. They will help us out. Let us know what you think of this PC in the comments down below, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.
And as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
This PC right here will be available at PCBros.tech with a warranty. And yeah, we do pretty good on the warranties. Parts and labor, we don't ask any questions.
And guys, big news, breaking news. McAllister finally put me through PC Bros, so I don't have to do that again. I can just tell you guys there's awesome sales at PC Bros. You can use code ToastyBros for the rest of the year or use some of the codes that we have for December. See you guys later. Goodbye.